not seeing any flaking, some minor redness, and it does line up with what you've been saying, because I'm seeing some redness that gets more pronounced near the lobe of the ear and the base of the skull. No cracking of the skin, so I think it just might be a mild irritation, a reaction to soap, or maybe even a hat that you wore. Are you looking here? No debris to worry about here. You do not have lice. Okay. Let me know if the sensation you feel is wet or dry.
Wet. Dry. Wet. Wet. Dry. 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 Wet. Wet. Dry. 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 Dry.
Good.
Dry. Dry. Wet. Wet. Dry. Dry. Wet. Dry. Dry. Wet. Wet. Dry.
Okay. Just because I am seeing some dryness and redness in the hairline, I'm going to apply just a little bit of water-based treatment. Should not be too harsh. It should not cause any reaction. It's not an allergen. It's just to provide moisture to the hair. I'm already seeing a little bit of relief. Still kind of red, which is concerning. Okay. Do you feel this cold sensation?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm going to draw it all the way from the top of your head to back here. Let me know if you feel it all the way.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to do the opposite way. Go ahead and let me know if you feel it all the way.
Yes.
Okay. I'll be taking just a few measurements of the regions of redness that I noticed. I don't see a lot of moles, a couple, actually white patches that I'm seeing. So I'm just going to take some measurements of that just to have on record, but there's no dark moling that I'm seeing, which is good. Do you use an SPF?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, that's 2 millimeters. And then up here, 1.3. It's very small and it's a white patch. Okay, there's one right in the center here that's barely even visible, but that is 0.5. Just making a handwritten note here to add into our computing system later. So, and one behind the ear I see just a tiny little cherry mole that is 2 millimeters by 1.5, so slightly asymmetric. Not asymmetric enough to worry about. Go ahead and see. Okay, and next to that, okay, that looks to be a birthmark, so I don't think we have to even make a record of it. You see here. Okay, here is a tiny mole, more so the appearance of a freckle, but I'm seeing it being a bit raised. It is symmetric, but I'm just gonna measure that real quick. That's 0.5 by 0.5, perfectly symmetric. Okay, and it's near the forehead. That is okay. So this one's a bit larger. It's 3 millimeters by 3.5. So much more likely to be just a spot of dehydration, which I think a good conditioning treatment will help. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let me know if the sensation you feel is sharp or dull. This is going to be a sharp sensation. This will be dull. Do you feel the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Sharp. Dull. Sharp. Dull. Dull. Sharp. 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 Dull. Sharp. Dull. Sharp. Sharp. Dull. Sharp. Dull. Sharp. 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 dull, dull, sharp, sharp, dull, 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 sharp, 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 dull, sharp, 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 dull, 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 sharp, dull,
Going to move on closer to the ear. Sensory wise in that region, I don't have any concerns. Just trying to get closer to the ear. Yeah, this is more pinkish red. I want to look out for numbness. Do you feel me pressing down here?
a little bit.
Okay, but just kind of vaguely. Okay, what about right here?
Not the same.
Okay, and here? Okay. So, just feeling out the texture of the hair. Making sure you don't have a negative reaction to wood on the hair. Just making sure that the area doesn't get more inflamed when I apply just basic everyday items. So, does this feel like a stinging sensation or does it feel normal?
It feels normal.
Normal, okay, that's good. I'm going to be making a movement once, twice, or 3 times. Say 1, 2, or 3, okay?
Three, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2.
Very good. Okay. Next test I'm going to do is paper or a pencil. So this is going to be a pencil. This will be paper. Do you kind of feel the difference between textures?
Yes.
Okay, good. Go ahead and say whichever one you feel.
Pencil, paper, paper, pencil, paper, pencil, pencil, paper, 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 pencil, pencil, paper, pencil, pencil, paper, paper, pencil, pencil, paper.
Good. So you got almost all those right. Next, I want to just see how you can gauge writing shapes on your face. So I'm going to be making just some basic shapes with the pencil, just the outline of the pencil, so I'm not going to actually write on you. Let me know what shape you think it is, and just do your best with this one because it's a bit harder.
Okay. Circle,
Good.
square,
Good.
triangle,
Awesome.
not sure. Circle,
I'll do it one more time.
sorry.
That's okay. That was a star.
Oh, okay. Felt like a triangle.
Close. That was a rectangle.
Smiley face,
Good.
smiley face.
Good. Well, technically, it was a frowny face.
Oh,
But
sorry.
it's okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay. So that was a circle again.
Oh, okay.
But you did really well. Next, I'm just gonna make some basic letters, and let me
Okay.
know if you can tell what letter it is.
A T, O, R, I,
Good.
H.
No, that wasn't A.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
S. Z. I don't know. A K.
Okay. Well, you got some of those right, some not so much, but overall it was a success. So we're going to
Okay.
move on. Okay. We're gonna do warm or cold, so does this feel like a warm or a cold sensation to you?
Warm.
Okay. And this.
It kind of felt the same.
Okay. What about now?
Cold. Warm. Cold. 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 Warm. 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 Cold. Warm. Warm. Warm.
Good.
Cold. 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 Warm. Cold. Cold. Warm. Warm. Cold.
Okay. And again, I'm just going to apply some moisture to this section of the hair. Do one more sharp and dull test just at this region.
Dull. Sharp. Dull. Sharp. 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 Dull. 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 Sharp. 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 Dull. Sharp. 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 Dull. Dull. Sharp. Sharp. sharp, sharp, dull, 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 dull.
Okay.
Okay.
You're going to feel a little puff of air on the part.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? And I want you to tell me if you feel it once, twice, or 3 times, okay?
Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1.
Gonna switch to a different one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay.
I'm not seeing this area being especially red. It's always just good to check. So I'm not going to spend as much time on tests, but I will do a pressure point test. Are you feeling my fingers on both sides of the part?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm seeing a more healthy follicular base along the back of the scalp, so that's a good sign. It's just a sign that the irritation is localized and it's not taking place within the neurons of the scalp. I'm going to do a pressure point test, so let me know if you feel this one or two pressure points, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this will be 2, this will be 1, okay?
Okay.
Great.
2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Okay. You seem to be perceiving sensations quite well here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do the same test. Only I want you to tell me how many times you feel the sensory brush scraping against your skin.
Okay.
Once, twice, or 3 times.
Once, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Okay. So I'm going to do paper or crystal. This is crystal, and this is paper. Go ahead and say crystal or paper. There are no wrong answers.
Crystal, paper, 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 crystal, paper, 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 crystal, paper, paper, paper.
Okay. So wrapping up. Just going to write down findings. No neurological issues. Some irritation. Applied serum treatment. And follow up in 1 week. Okay. Okay, Tori, so your hair seems to be very healthy. I'm not worried about anything neurological. I'm just going to send you home with some very organic, sulfate-free serum treatment that I applied today. I want you to apply it 3 times a day just to the area around the hairline that's bothering you. And take a few days off of washing your hair if you can. I think that would be really a good idea just to reset your hair's natural oil production. Other than that, do you have any questions for me?
I don't think so.
Alright, thank you for coming in and allowing me to do this exam, and I'll give you a follow-up call in a week, okay?
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay.